name is Anna Edwards, and I'm the Education Coordinator of the Iredell Soil and Water Conservation District. Today in this short video, I'm going to be going over what my organization does and what I do as the Education Coordinator to help you this year and your students as well. So let's get to it. First, let's touch base on what the Iredell Soil and Water Conservation District is. We're a local organization that promotes the wise use of natural resources such as air, animals, plants, soil, and water. Through expertise, leadership, and education, my coworkers and I really work hard to promote the environment and to get all of that education out to you and your students. Now let's talk about what I can do specifically one-on-one with you and your students. Now that you know what my organization does, I'm more excited to tell you what I can do for you and your students. This year, I know it's been super tough for students, especially teachers, with all of the virtual content you're having to create and all of the rules you have to follow with social distancing. So that's why I'm here to tell you. I'm here to give you all the virtual content you need, from soils to watersheds, water cycle, anything that you may need that's environmental education. I am here for it. So with that being said, I'm also providing tubs to where I can just drop off at your doorstep, no contact needed. All supplies will be included, pencils, assignments, soils, anything that you may need for that specific assignment, I will include everything in. Sanitized and ready for you and your students to use. With that also being said, every assignment will be followed by the North Carolina Standard course and curriculum, so you won't have to worry about fitting it into your curriculum or your students' schedules. So, now that you know about me and my local organization, please don't hesitate to contact me at the email below or on Facebook or a phone. I will give you all that information at the end of this video. So please don't hesitate. Thank you guys.